The Services section of a person's Digital Measures profile contains information about their involvement in various campus committees. This information is very important, particularly for professional activity reports. In this video, I will be adding service information to an example Digital Measures profile for Bucky Badger. First, log into Digital Measures. The Services section is the last section on the Digital Measures main menu. In this section, there are 5 different service categories: Department, School of Education, University, Other Professional, and Public. Ultimately, the information you enter into your Digital Measures profile for each of these sections is exactly the same. The particular section you choose determines how your service activities are categorized on reports and on your online bio page. Click on the category into which you wish to enter a service activity. If you already have a service activity item listed on the next screen, you can click the pencil icon to edit it. Otherwise, to create a new service activity item, click the Add a New Item button. Either way, you will be directed to a form into which you can enter information about your service activity. As I mentioned before, this form will appear exactly the same regardless of the service category you choose from the Digital Measures main menu. Starting from the top of the form, enter the name of the committee and, optionally, a brief description of the committee's key accomplishments. Next, enter the date you joined this committee. For the end date of the committee field, you have 2 options. First, you can enter the date you left the committee. Otherwise, you can leave this field blank and Digital Measures will list the end date as present. Next, as is the case with all information in Digital Measures, you can choose whether or not to list this service activity on your profile by choosing Yes under the Make This Information Public field. Next up is the optional Position/Role section. If you leave this section blank, Digital Measures will list your participation only. Otherwise, you can fill out this section to list your position within the committee. You can see that there are a number of fields in this section, and you should fill out as many as you can. One important note is that the start date of the Position/Role field should be the same or later than the date you entered into the start date of the committee field. You can add multiple positions by clicking the Add button located on the right side of the screen underneath the Position/Role section. If you list multiple roles, make sure that you list them in chronological order. You can check to make sure your information displays correctly by generating a rapid report. In the lower right-hand corner of the screen, click the Rapid Reports button. From the Report drop-down menu, select General Service, then select a date range that spans all of the dates for your service activities. Then click Run Report. When you are done entering information, click the Save and Return button to return to the Services section, or click the Save and Add Another button to save your progress and start a new service activity item in the current category.